All right, so we're looking at acoustic counterpoint guitar number 2. We're starting here in the right here. All right, we're going to use our second finger in the 8th fret for that C, so it's so now you see why we're using our second finger instead of our first finger, right? Now remember there's an accent on the second note, so now you do that 3 times, right? So that was all the way up to measure 17. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. You're going to crescendo at measure 13, get louder, and you're going to crescendo into measure 17. Now at 17, you have this riff, all right? So, E, D, B, G, E. No big deal, all right? So your count for your rhythm, in that section is going to go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and, all right? So first one's different, next 3 are the same, all right? Pretty easy, all right? So you're going to do that up to 21. 21 you go. F sharp dyad. All right, so 21, you're going to be right here. So 9th position is where you're headed, right there at measure 17. So at 17, all right, so let's do that in time. Let me get my handy dandy online metronome. And we're gonna set it slow. We're gonna set it to about 1. Let's do 120 to start. Right there. Here we go. From the top. Play with me. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. Two, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, and you hold that for fermata, no big deal. Play that a few times with me, rewind it, play it a few times with me. Also, don't forget there's a recording of just your part, and then there's a recording of all other 3 parts minus your part. All right, so that's the intro. Let's think of that as the intro. At A, you start with the actual melody, and the good news is that you're playing along with 2 other guitar players, and you guys are all playing the same melody. All right, so at A, you start off in the 5th position, first string. Two, three. 2, 3. All right, we'll work all that out. So let's start at A. All right, so you have this ba-da-dum, ba-da-da-da-da-dum, 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 ba-da-da-da-da-dum. So that's this kind of motif that's kind of going from A, around A, to G, around G. All right, so if you keep your first finger on the 5th fret, you should be good. So you'll start there. You're back to the same thing at 33. All right, so 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, all that from 33 to 38 or 39, 40, it's going to be the same thing. Just repeat it. All right, so like at 41, you have that pickup. 2, 3, 2, 3. All right, so watch that rhythm at 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, so let's talk about 47, 2. So you're all on the upbeat. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 4 and 1 and. All right, so check out that rhythm one more time. 47, 1, 2, listen now. 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna take it as a chunk from A to B. Here we go with the metronome. 1, 2, ready, go. Two, three. 2, 3. Got a little bit hung up there. Sorry, somebody came in the room. Let's take it from 40, pick up to 41. Here we go. Pick up to 41. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Two, 3, 4. All right, so let's talk about these chords.